Hi, I'm Christy Jackson, plant manager of Zircar Zirconia. We manufacture industrial insulation for high temperature furnaces. This is a 1700 degrees Celsius molybdenum disilicide heated furnace. The insulation has degraded. It now contains crystalline silica. Many manufacturers of original equipment, OEMs, will not reline your furnace containing crystalline silica. We will. Please contact us at zircarzirconia.com, at sales@zircarzirconia.com, or on LinkedIn, and we will love to evaluate your furnace. As insulation degrades, it shrinks, it will crack, eventually it will break. You will lose heat. You may not make your set point. You may not follow your program, and your profile will lag. You may not soak for as long as you expect to, and your wares will not see the heat treatment they require. This will of course lead to quality issues with your product. We can fix that. You will have less downtime and save money on operating costs with a furnace reline.